Hello students, myself Purushottam Kasle, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Shikshan Samsthas, RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture we have seen summation and properties of summation and some examples based on summation. Today also we are going to study some examples based on properties of summation and some results of summation. Okay, now we see first example. If one into two, if 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus so on up to n terms upon 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on up to n terms is equal to 100 upon 3. 100 upon 3. Then find n. Find value of n. Okay. Now we see answer for this example. Consider given equation, that is this equation 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus so on up to n terms. Upon 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on up to n terms is equal to 100 upon 3. Okay. Now at the numerator, each term is a product of two numbers. These are the conjugative numbers, 1 into 2. 1 and 2 are conjugative numbers, 2 and 3 are conjugative numbers, 3 and 4 are conjugative numbers. That is product of all conjugative numbers. And here there are n terms. Therefore we can find here rth term. Rth term is, we can write continuing in this way, r into r plus 1. Therefore this is the sum of the first n terms, product of these numbers. Therefore we can write this as in summation form, summation r into r plus 1, r goes from 1 to n, upon, this is the sum of the first n natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to n terms. Therefore we can write this in summation form again, summation r goes from 1 to n and equal to 100 upon 3 as it is. Okay. Now we can take product here. That is summation r goes from 1 to n, r into r square plus r into 1 r. That is r square plus r upon summation r goes from 1 to n as it is equal to 100 upon 3. Okay. Now we can use result for the first. We can use property here. Take separate summation for these two terms. That is summation of r goes from 1 to n r square plus summation r goes from 1 to n upon this term as it is, summation r goes from 1 to n equal to 100 upon 3. Okay. Now use result, these two results, since summation of r goes from 1 to n is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2 and summation of r square, r goes from 1 to n is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, using these two results for these two terms, then we can write summation r square means this value n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus value of this is n into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2 divided by summation of r goes from 1 to n means again n into n plus 1 upon 2 equal to 100 upon 3 as it is. Okay. Now at the numerator we can take n into n plus 1 upon 2 common. N into n plus 1 upon 2 common. In bracket remains here. Here remains 2n plus 1 upon 3. 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus here remains 1 upon this term as it is n into n plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 100 upon 3. Okay. Now this term is cancelled out. N into n plus 1 upon 2, n into n plus 1 upon 2. It cancels. Write down remaining terms, that is 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 100 upon 3. 100 upon 3. Now we can take addition here. Addition of fractions, that is we can write here 2n plus 3 into 1 3 upon 3 into 1 3 and 2n plus 1 into 1 means 2n plus 1. That is 1 into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 3 into 1 plus 3 is equal to 100 upon 3. That is, we can write here this 3 cancel, remains only 2n plus 1 plus 3 4 equal to 100. Equal to 100. That is, finally we get value of n. We write here 2n plus 4, that is 2n equal to 100 minus 4. 2n equal to 100 minus 4, that is 2n is equal to 96. N is equal to 96 upon 2, that is n is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Okay, that is we get n is equal to 48. This is the required value of n. Okay, we have to find n and value of n is 48. Now we see next example here. Now next example is find in bracket 70 square minus 69 square plus in bracket 68 minus 68 square minus 67 square plus 66 square minus 65 square. 66 square minus 65 square plus so on. Last term is here in bracket 2 square minus 1 square. 2 square minus 1 square. Okay. Now we see answer for this example. We have to find the value of all this expression. Therefore consider, we give name here equal to s, that is s equal to 70 square minus 69 square plus 68 square minus 67 square plus 66 square minus 65 square plus so on 2 square minus 1 square. Okay. Now we can take 4 terms from each bracket in a one bracket. 70 square plus 68 square plus 66 square plus 2 square. Okay, which are the even terms. Therefore we can write here S is equal to, in bracket, 70 square plus 68 square plus 66 square plus so on plus 2 square. Now we can take all second terms together and we can take minus sign common. Minus common here, in bracket, 69 square, 67 square plus 65 square plus 1 square. That is 69 square plus 67 square plus 65 square plus so on plus 1 square. Okay. Now here all these are even terms: 70, 68, 66, 64, 62, and last term is 2. And here these are the odd terms: 69, 67, 65, 63, and so on. Last term is 1 square. Now we can write these in summation form like this. S is equal to, now this is the sum of the squares of the even numbers, sum of the squares of the even numbers. We can write this in summation form as summation of sum of the even numbers is equal to 2r, and here is a square of each term. Therefore 2r square, r goes from 1 to n, minus, we can write this sum again in summation form. Summation, sum of the odd numbers is denoted by 2r minus 1. Here is a square, therefore we can take here square. 2r minus 1 bracket square, r goes from 1 to n. Okay, but here 2 square, 66 square, 68 square, 70 square. Last term is 70. Last term is 70. If we put r is equal to 1, then we get this term, 2 square. If we put r is equal to 2, then we get second last term. And continuing in this way, we have to put here n is equal to, r is equal to 35. R is equal to 35 into 2, that is 70 square. Therefore, we can write here instead of n, 35, here also 35. Okay, now we can solve this. S is equal to summation r goes from 1 to 35, 2r square means 4 into r square, minus summation of r goes from 1 to 35, take here expansion by using formula a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. 2r square means 4r square minus 2 into 2r, 4r plus 1, that is, further we can write here S is equal to, we can write in one summation form by using property second here. Summation r goes from 1 to n, r goes from 1 to 35 here, 4r square minus, in bracket, 4r square minus 4r plus 1, that is, S is equal to summation r goes from 1 to n, 4r square, takes a product here, minus into 4r square minus 4r square, minus into minus plus 4r, minus into plus minus 1. Okay, now here these two terms are similar but opposite in sign, cancel out. Remains only S is equal to summation r goes from 1 to 35, r goes from 1 to 35, remains here 4r minus 1. Okay, now we can take separate summation for each term, that is S equal to summation r goes from 1 to 35, 4r minus summation 1 r goes from 1 to 35. Now we can use property here again. We can take 4 outside the summation, constant term, 4 into summation r goes from 1 to 35 r minus summation of r goes from 1 to 35 1. Okay, now we know that formula for the summation of r goes from 1 to n, which is n into n plus 1 upon 2. But here value of n is 35. Using this formula, we can write here S is equal to 4 into n plus 1 upon 2. Here n is equal to 35 minus here 35. That is, we can write here S equal to 4 into, we put here value of n is 35. 35 into, in bracket, 35 plus 1 upon 2 minus 35. Okay, now simplifying this, we can write S equal to 4 into 35 into this 35 plus 1 36 upon 2 minus 35. Now here 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. That is, S is equal to, take product of these two, 4 5s are 20, carry on 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 2 140 into 18 minus 35. Okay, now we can take this product S equal to 0, 18 4s are 72 and write 2 here, carry on 7, 18 1s are 18 plus 7 25 minus 35. That is, taking this subtraction, we can write value of S, 10 minus 5 means 5, carry on 1 4, 12 minus 4 8, carry on 1, 5 minus 1 4 2. This is the value of S. S is equal to 2485. Okay, 2485, and which is the value of this sum. S is equal to this, therefore value of 2485 equal to S, means value of this summation is 2485. Okay, now we see next example here again. Our next example is find the sum 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus last term is 20 square. Okay, now we see answer for this. Now here the terms from 12 to 20, but we want to terms from 1 to last term. Therefore, we can write value of this sum as, consider 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus so on 20 square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on 20 square minus, we can subtract the terms up to the 12, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 11 square from this sum. That is, we can write here minus, in bracket, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on last term is 11 square. If we subtract this bracket from this bracket, then this sum is remains. Okay, here value of n is 20 and where value of n is 11. Therefore, we can use formula here, sum of the squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. This formula is, since summation of r square, r goes from 1 to n, is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. We have to use this formula here, but in this first bracket value of n is 20 and in second bracket value of n is 11. Therefore, using this result we can write the value of this sum 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus so on 20 square is equal to, here we have to write this formula, but value of n is 20. 20 into 20 plus 1 into 20 into 2, 40 plus 1 upon 6 minus, in this bracket value of n is 11, last term is 11, therefore value of n is 11, put here value of n is equal to 11, then we can write here 11 into 11 plus 1 into 11 into 2, 22 plus 1 upon 6. That is, further we can write here 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus 20 square is equal to, simplifying this we can write 20 into 21 into 41, 21 into 41 upon 6 minus, here 11 into 12, 11 plus 1 12 and into 23 upon 6. Okay, we can take division here. 3 2s are 6 and here 3 7s are 21, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Okay, now here are also 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Now take remaining terms here, 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus so on 20 square is equal to 10 into 7 into 41 minus 11 into 2 into 23. Okay, we can take product of these two terms, 10 into 7 into 1 7, 7 4s are 28 minus, here also take product 11 into 22 into 23 into 2, 46. Okay, now simplifying this again, product of these two terms 2870 minus, here take product 11 6 are 66, carry on 6, 11 4 are 44 plus 6 50. That is, we can write here 12 square plus 13 square plus 14 square plus 20 square equal to, take subtraction of these two, 10 minus 6 4, carry on 1, 7 minus 1 6, 8 minus 5 3 and 2 minus 0 2. That is, value of this sum is equal to 2364. So we can check here, 10 minus 6 4, okay, carry on 1 here, 7 minus 1 6, 8 minus 5 3 and 2 minus 0 equal to 2. This is the value of the given sum 2364. Now we see one more example here. Find 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square plus 2 square upon 2 plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square upon 3 plus so on up to n terms, plus so on up to n terms. Okay, we have to find this series or sum. Answer for this, consider given sum or series, that is 1 square upon 1 plus 1 square plus 2 square upon 2 plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square upon 3 plus so on up to n terms. Okay. Now here these are the terms of the sum. First term 1 square upon 1, 1 square plus 2 square upon 2, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square upon 3, plus we can write rth term for this sum or series, which is TR. TR is equal to, we can write here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus so on plus r square upon r. Here there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 upon 3. Here also r terms, therefore we can write here upon r. Okay, this is the rth term of this sum. Now we can write this. This is the sum of the squares of the first r terms. We can write this in summation form like this. TR is equal to summation I square, I goes from 1 to r upon r. But we know that formula, summation r square, r goes from 1 to n is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Now in this summation there are n terms and here there are r terms. Therefore, we can write the value of this summation by using this formula is TR equal to, in the form of r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 upon 6 into this 1 upon r as it is. 1 upon r as it is. Now this r and r cancel out. That is, remains only TR equal to r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 upon 6. Now simplify this. TR equal to, take product of these two brackets, then we can write here r into 2r square plus r into 1r plus 1 into 2r plus 2r plus 1 into 1 plus 1 upon 6. That is, TR equal to 2r square upon this 6, take addition of these two terms plus 3r upon this denominator 6 plus 1 by 6. Okay, that is, we can write here TR equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. That is 1 by 3r square plus 1 by 2 into r plus 1 by 6. Now this is the rth term of this series. Okay, now we have to find sum of all these terms. Therefore we can write summation for this. That is, summation of TR, r goes from 1 to n, is equal to summation of 1 by 3 r square plus 1 by 2 r plus 1 by 6. R goes from 1 to n here. R goes from 1 to n. Okay. Now we can take separate summation for each term. That is equal to summation. Also we can take constant term outside the summation here. 1 by 3 into summation r square. R goes from 1 to n. Plus 1 by 2 constant term, take outside the summation, into summation r goes from 1 to n, plus summation 1 by 6 r goes from 1 to n. Okay, now we simplify this. That is, summation of TR, r goes from 1 to n, is equal to, now we can use formula here, summation r square, r goes from 1 to n, is equal to this formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, and summation of r goes from 1 to n, is equal to n into n plus 1 upon 2. And here value of summation of r goes from 1 to n, 1 upon 6 equal to n upon 6. Okay, now we can write here n into 1 by 3 as it is. 1 by 3 as it is. Value of this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. Okay, plus value of this 1 by 2 into n plus 1 upon 2 plus value of this summation 1 by 6 constant term take outside the summation, 1 by 6 into summation of 1 r goes from 1 to n. We can write here value of this n upon 6. Okay, we can write this in bracket. Therefore summation of tr r goes from 1 to n is equal to, we can write here taking product. First we can take common n upon 2 common. n upon 2 common. First we take this product here, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 18 plus here also n into n plus 1 upon 2 into 2 4 plus n upon 6. Now we can take n by 2 common, that is summation tr r goes from 1 to n is equal to n upon 2 common in bracket remains. Here n into n plus, sorry, we take n common here, remains only n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 9 plus here remains n plus 1 upon 2 and here remains 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Okay, now further we simplify this here, that is summation of tr r goes from 1 to n equal to n upon 2 into in bracket. Now we can take addition of all these three terms. Now we take LCM here, LCM is 9, LCM of 2, 3 and 9 is 9. LCM is 18 here, 18, okay, not 9. LCM of n 9, 2 and 3 is 18. Therefore we can take addition here. 9 into 2 means 18, therefore we can write here 2 into, take product of these two, 2n square plus n plus 2n, that is 3n plus 1 plus 1 1 plus here 2 into 9 means 18, therefore 9 into n plus 1 and here 3 into 6, 6 into 3 means 18, therefore you can multiply 1 by 6 here plus 6, that is we can write here n upon 2 into in bracket, take here product 2 into 2 4n square plus 6n plus 2 plus here also take product 9 into this bracket, 9n plus 9 plus this 6 as it is upon 18, that is equal to n upon 2 into in bracket 4n square. Now take sum of similar terms, 6n plus 9n, that is 15n, and sum of constant terms 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 6 17, 17 upon this 18 as it is, that is finally we can write n upon 18 into 2 36 into in bracket 4n square plus 15n plus 17, which is the value of summation of tr r goes from 1 to n. That is the value of this sum is equal to summation tr r goes from 1 to n is equal to n upon 36 into in bracket 4n square plus 15n plus 17. Okay, this is the answer for this example. Now here this chapter sequences and series is completed. In the next lecture we have seen next chapter, sets and relations. Today stop here. Okay, thank you.